How to create AI logo in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI logo inside of Canva step by step. This is a fantastic tool for idea generation and can be used for your own branding. Now, let's dive right in. First thing first, if you don't have an Canva account yet, you need to head over to canva.com and then create your free account. Once you are logged in, you need to click on Create a Design. For our logo, I recommend using dimension of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now, on the sidebar, you need to scroll down and find the app section. Click on it and you will see variety of different apps that you can use within Canva. You need to search for logo maker in the search bar. After you have done that, you need to simply click on it. After that, you will be prompted to describe the logo that you want. You simply write the descriptions over the box and then you need to hit the create option and see what AI can generate for us. Keep in mind that the dimension of logo may be slightly reduced, but there you have it. If you want to change the logo as per your wish, you can simply edit it later. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.